One pot creamy chicken casserole is the best meal to finish off a busy day. Chunks of chicken, tender broccoli, perfectly cooked rice, and a homemade cream sauce that is seasoned just right. This is a meal the whole family will love, and bonus, there won't be a bunch of dirty dishes. I love this casserole and I can't wait to show you how to make this today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. To start this yummy all-in-one meal, I like to prep my ingredients by cubing up 1 to 1.5 pounds of chicken, using 2 large chicken breasts, trim off any undesired pieces, and cube that into about 1-inch pieces. Then finally chop 1 medium yellow or white onion. I prefer smaller pieces, so I'm gonna rock chop that, but do it to your desired size. Grate 2 cups of cheese, and I am using Colby Jack, but any type of cheddar will also work. And last thing we need to prepare is the broccoli. I'm needing about 3 to 4 cups worth, and I'm going to get that using about 2 crowns of broccoli. Take your broccoli crown and place it crown side down. Using the tip of your knife, go around the base of the floret stems and cut off those cute little trees. With each forkful of this dish, I want a little bit of each ingredient, so cut those florets into bite-sized pieces. Now that we have what we need prepped, we're gonna head over to the stove. In a heavy-bottomed, oven-safe pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add in the cubed raw chicken and season that with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Go ahead and give that a stir and cook that for about 5 minutes until that chicken gets some browning on the exterior. Then add in the diced onion and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Give that a stir and saute that until the onions are more translucent. Then to the pot, add in 1.5 cups of long grain rice and saute that for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the rice is toasted, add in 3 tablespoons of flour and let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that the flour and rice are a tad more golden, add in 2 cups of milk slowly. Stir that continuously while the sauce thickens. Then pour 2.5 cups of chicken broth, or you could use vegetable broth. Add in 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Give that a stir and bring it to a boil. Then reduce that down to medium-low and cover that up where it's gonna cook for 15 to 20 more minutes. Our rice is just about finished cooking, and now we're gonna add in our broccoli. Stir the broccoli in and then go ahead and lid that and let it cook on low for 2 to 3 more minutes. Turn off the heat, and then we're gonna add in about 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Stir in the cheese, and then top with the remaining cheese. Now you can pop this under the broiler and get that cheese a little browned up, or you can just put the lid on it and it will melt the cheese into that casserole. Now that wasn't too hard to make a delicious meal that doesn't require several dishes, and it's one that my family loves. Dish this up and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.